Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Polygon MATIC. On the weekly time frame, MATIC is testing a very strong support of this big rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going down or we can have a reversal from here. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. First of all, I would like to share this analysis with you. And this was the idea that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 10th of November. And this idea is very well connected with today's analysis. Therefore, I'm just showing you this chart first. And you can see that at that time, the price line was after breaking out this triangle, retesting the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. And our first target was $2.43, and the second target was $2.85. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well after testing this previous resistance as a support and hit the second target, even moved up to $2.92. And after this rejection, the price line is again moving down. Now, if we switch to the weekly time frame chart here, we can see that the price line is moving down to test the previous resistance of the same triangle as a support. And at the same time, it is also testing a very, very big support of a big rising wedge pattern. Therefore, we can also follow the same targets of this triangle. Because if this retest will be successful, then we can expect the next move that will be approximately the same as the previous one. However, this time we are also getting reversed bullish. If the price line will have a reversal, then we will have a reversal from this very big support of the rising wedge as well. And if the price line moves at least up to the resistance of this wedge, that will be approximately at $3.40. And in case of breaking out this rising wedge, we can expect our target. That is conservative target, by the way. I'm just placing this trend line here when we touch the wedge here and at this resistance, and place it here from where we are expecting a breakout. For example, we are expecting a breakout from here at $3.40, approximately from here. Then our next expected target will be $4.50 approximately here. And we can also observe that the price line is not only testing this support of the wedge, it is also testing this red line. This is the exponential moving average 21. And you can see that previously this exponential moving average 21 is working as a very, very nice support for a Polygon MATIC token. And even we can see for the very long term, when the price line first broke it out here in December 2020, since then, price line never broke it down. Therefore, this time again, it can work as a very, very strong support, and we can expect a powerful reversal from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.